All right, let's look at the homework 2, problem number 11. All right, so we have a polynomial function given, and for part A, we want to find the degree of the polynomial. All right, so let's do that. All right, so this one is actually pretty simple. If you have, let's see, inside the parentheses, you have 4x, so you have an x here. And if you raise it to the fourth power, this is going to give you a degree 4. Right, so x to the fourth is the largest power. Right, if you look at this factor, you have x to the fifth. Right, so if you multiply x to the fourth and x to the fifth, you're going to get x to the ninth, 4 plus 5. So the degree of the polynomial is 9. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, then we want to find the X-intercept. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we want to find X-intercept. So we set the function equal to 0. All right, then you can see that we can make that happen by either having 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Or x minus 3 equal to 0, right? So we can easily solve these guys for x. So subtract 5, you get 4x is equal to negative 5, right? Then we can just divide through by 4 to get x equals negative 5/4, right? Here we can simply add 3 to both sides, so we have x equals 3, right? So x-intercepts are negative 5/4 and 3, right? So let's type it in. All right, so we have negative 5/4 and 3. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so y-intercept is pretty easy because we just have to plug in x equals 0. So y is equal to f of 0, right? So you get here. If you plug in 0, you're going to get 5. Let's see, 0 plus 5, so it's going to be 5 to the fourth power, right? Times, if you plug in 0 here, you have negative 3 to the fifth power. So you have negative 3 to the fifth power, right? We got that. All right, let's see if the system likes to answer just like that. So I'm going to, let's say, type an integer or a fraction. Okay, so we will probably have to compute it. Hold on a sec. All right, I pull out the calculator so that we can find a value. So that was 5 to the fourth power times, right, negative 3. So I'm going to put, oh, actually, that's not what I want. Clear there. All right, 5 to the fourth power. All right, then I'm going to come, let's see, come down. All right, times, all right, negative 3. So you have negative 3. And raise it to the fifth power. All right, so hit enter. All right, so it looks like we get negative 15,000, actually 151,875. All right, that's a really big number. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.